So this is Mala ramp. This is the put in for boats now, so there can be a maximum of 2 here. And so this is where all the commercial guys are going out of, and the people that have private boats, but this is where the commercial guys are going out. So there's about, I think we just said there's 16 permits, commercial permits to do whale watching and other things at the moment. And so much reduced compared to Lahaina Harbor, that is, a much larger area that has docks and people could just walk up and jump in the whale watching boats. So this is the commercial put in for this area of Lahaina now in the wake of the fire. And it sounds like whale watching trips are increased from last year. So 2025 is more than 2024, but it's still, massively reduced with the loss of the whole commercial fleet and loss of the town and everything like that. But relative to last year, it's picking up a bit. Mala Wharf, or Mala Launch Ramp.